Well, have you found him truly as I am? I tell you, the day will come you will find him just as I am. And his Son will stand before you and call you Father. When the Son calls you Father, and you know the truth of this relationship, then you have found God. So there is no other God. So he sets up in the beginning that which, when it occurs in you, reveals to you that you and the one you call God are one. Until it happens, you will not know truly that you are God. And you know the truth of the visions of these men like a Blake and a Thompson. And you will not be cynical about it. You won't question it. You will admit it. Now you dwell upon it. Do you think it's possible for thought greater than itself to know? Can it? Do you really believe that you, the individual here this night, that you could venerate someone more than the being that you really are? That it's possible to love another more than love self? I tell you, when you dwell upon it and you're brutally frank with yourself and honest, your answer is no, I can't. Well, now, I admit that there is a presence that created it all, and I am, relative to this presence, like the little bird around the door. But I would like to know him. I'd like to know him so I can show my appreciation and my love. Well, then raise me. Raise me up to your level that I may know you as you are. Raise me up to your level that I may venerate you as you ought to be venerated. Raise me up that I may love you as you ought to be loved. And so he has a plan. God chose us in him before the foundation of the world and destined us in love to be his sons through Jesus Christ, according to the purpose of his will.